Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what's inside the Pokemon Azure Legends EX tin. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you found this in your local card shop. Maybe you see it in your big retail stores, but you're wondering what's exactly inside. Now to simply put, first you have the EX Kyogre card, which is this. First you have the EX Dialga promo card, which is right over here. Afterwards, it includes 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs. So you have 2 Surging Sparks, 1 pack of Stellar Crown, you have 1 pack of Temporal Forces, and then you have 1 pack of Obsidian Flames. Again, it's 2 packs of Surging Sparks, 1 pack of Stellar Crown, 1 pack of Temporal Forces, and then 1 pack of Obsidian Flames. So in total, you're going to get 5 TCG booster packs within this tin. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what's inside of the Pokemon Azure Legends EX tin. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.